Hi guys, this is Grist. This is the shawl crawl pattern for the Greater Boston Yarn Crawl in 2020, which takes place on September 29th to October 2nd. And if you make this shawl and wear it on the crawl, you will get all sorts of fun little prizes from each shop. It's a really easy shawl to make. It's fast because of all the drops you can see. And to give it a little stability, it has a twisted I-cord edge, and some people get a little lost in the weeds when they're reading twisted directions, so I thought I'd show you really quick how to do the twisted edge, and then you shouldn't have any questions. You can just knit to your heart's content. All right, so I have a big one cast on. I'm not actually doing this. So the twisted I-cord's edge is always going to be on the first 3 stitches and the last 3 stitches, and you're only going to twist on the right side. So you want to go into the back of the 3rd stitch. See, we have one. I'm trying to use these big needles and big yarn so it's more visible, but I'm not sure it's great. 1, 2, 3. You go into the back of that stitch, wrap your yarn around and knit it through. But don't take that stitch off because you've got these other 2 in the way. Then you don't want to decrease, and there's a knit 2 together. So you're going to do a yarn over. So now you've got 2, and then you're going to knit the first 2 stitches together. Oops. Or you're just going to drop them all. This is always a weird angle. I don't know how people do this so effectively. Okay. Wait, did I get them all? Yeah. All right, there's the one I knit through. Yarn over, and then knit 2 together. So then you've got 3 stitches, and then you take all 3, 1, 2, 3 of these off. And then you have your make 1. I'll just knit this 1 row so that I can do one more of the I-cord edge a little more gracefully, maybe. The yarn is attacking me. It's no better attack than a yarn attack. Okay, so you're on to the last 3. 1, 2, 3, do your make 1. And then again, you go into the 3rd stitch through the back loop. You knit it through, but you don't take it off. You do a yarn over. And then you knit the first 2 together, and then take all of them off. And you'll see, hopefully you can see, that it's making a twisted edge right here. See how it's a little twist? Not sure how well you can see it on here, but it's nice. It's just a little detail. If it makes you crazy for some reason, you can just do a regular I-cord edge, which is just, knit 3 on the right side, slip through with the yarn in front on the wrong side. But I really like this edge. I think it's what makes the shawl special. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope to see you all at the crawl. Bye.